Today we are reviewing Instant Solo Single Serve Coffee Maker from the makers of Instant Pot K-Cup Pod, compatible with Coffee Brewer that includes reusable coffee pod and bold setting, brews 8 to 12 ounce with 40-ounce water reservoir. A precision brew process is used to gently soak the grounds before brewing the produce of cup of coffee that is a more aromatic and flavorful. It is compatible with K-Cup as well as most other types of coffee pods. The bold setting allows you to customize every pour of coffee you make to make sure your cup is delicious. It adds more depth to flavor to your cup so you can enjoy the strength and taste of your coffee simultaneously. A reusable pod is included to brew your own coffee grounds. The smart function has the ability to recognize the reusable coffee pod used to brew your favorite coffee grounds and adjust the brewing for a stronger cup of coffee as you consume it. With the convenience of 3 different brewing sizes, 8 ounce, 10 ounce, and 12 ounce cups, you are able to brew a single serve of hot coffee. There is a large removable water reservoir that holds up to 40 ounces of water, so you can make more coffee and refill less frequently. It is also dishwasher safe, so you won't have to worry about descaling the water reservoirs. This was review for Instant Solo Single Serve Coffee Maker.